Hello and welcome back to LibreCAD tutorial. Today I want to draw a very special object. Uh, this object becomes special because only a single data about this object. Uh, the distance between this point into that point. Uh, it will be very difficult to draw, I think. Okay, but we try to solve this problem. Okay, let us start to play with our LibreCAD application. Okay, for the first time, please activate some snap functions in your LibreCAD. There are three snaps, snap on endpoints, snap center, snap middle, and the last, please activate snap intersection. Okay, next, I think to draw this object we need some tricks. Okay, let's try to use a hexagon, I think. Why use hexagon? Because there are 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 parts of circle. Yeah, let me try. Before hexagon, I think we should draw a vertical line. Select vertical line and type the length for vertical 45. Okay, middle points 1, snap point middle. Okay, left click at anyone you want to start to draw, maybe there 45. Okay. Right click. Okay, now select the polygon line, but you can change the polygon into hexagon. Polygon, I will use polygon, yeah, polygon centan. Okay, left click for the center of our polygon. Yes, and bring into the end of the vertical line. Right click to escape, right click again. Now I want to try this distance of vertical distance, I think. Okay, the vertical distance must be 45. Select dimension vertical, left click. Okay, we got it. 45. Okay, we can delete this dimension and this vertical line. Now we will continue the object. Okay, next, what will, yeah, I think we should start to draw this small circle with a line. Draw manually line, use 2 points, select 2 points, draw diagonal line to put the center of our hexagon. Okay, we got the circle, we got the center of our hexagon for now. Yeah, and then bring the line into the like this. Okay, right click to escape, draw okay it, right click to escape, right click again. Okay, we should delete this diagonal line. Now I want to extend this line. Okay, there are lines. I want to extend all of them. Select lengthen tool and type the length, maybe 100. Okay, middle point 1, left click Okay. Okay, right click to escape. Okay, next use trim tool, select trim tool. I want to extend this line. Okay, but left click first at this line to select the line as a limiting or a trim line. Left click for the line to extend. Okay, now right click and select another line. Okay, right click, select another line again, right click. Okay, select, right click, left click at the line, right click and left click again at the line, right click, right click. Okay, now we got the object. Next, please use a very smart tool to create a circle. Okay, select circle 3 points. Where is circle 3 points? Yeah, circle 3 points. And draw the circle. Okay, we draw the small circle first. Okay, first click, next click. Okay, and the last. Okay, draw until the sixth circle. Left click, second click, third click. Okay, draw again. Yes, left click, second click, and third click. Left click again, left click, and left click again. Okay, okay. Now right click to escape. We will draw the big circle. Select circle center point. Left click at the center of our drawing and bring the circle into the position. Maybe there. Okay. Right click to escape. Now select again 3 points, circle 3 points. We will draw this part. Okay, left click, second click, okay, the last click. Left click, left click again, left click again. Okay, okay. Yes. Okay, right click to escape. Now we can delete all unnecessary lines. Select the lines and press delete on the keyboard. Okay. Yes. Okay, now time to use divide tool. Select divide. Okay, left click at the circle, left click at the point, left click again at the circle, and left click at the point. Right click to escape. Okay, we can repeat the method. Select divide. Okay, yes, select again the circle at the point. Select the circle, left click the point, left click again at the point. Select the circle, left click at the point. Now select unnecessary parts from the circles and we will delete it. Okay. No, I think we should create. Oh, dimension maybe. But before we create dimension, I think we should use a different layer. I want to use a single layer special for dimension. Left click at this button, add a layer, and type the layer name, dimension, maybe dim. Select color for dimension, dark blue. Okay, select width and select 0.3. Click OK. Change the active layer to time. Okay, select vertical dimension. Left click at the point. Okay, right click to escape. I want to change this the model of dimension. Select options, current drawing preferences, open tab dimension, and change the text height into 5 maybe. Text alignment horizontal, dimension line gap maybe 3, offset 2, LR 2, or row size maybe 2. Okay, linear precision 20 behind the point. Click OK. Yes. Okay, don't forget this horizontal and vertical line. Select horizontal first. Okay, change the length to 100. Select step point middle points 1, and left click at the center of our circle. Oh, we need to change the length. Select again horizontal and change the length to 200 maybe. Select step point middle, it's okay, and bring the line into the position like this. Okay, right click to escape. Now select vertical line. Okay, the length 200, snap point middle, and left click at the center of our drawing. Right click to escape. I need to change the type of line. Okay, select the lines and select attributes. Okay, change the line type into dot tiny and change the width into 0.4. Click OK. Yes. Okay, now I think we have finished our job for today. Okay, it is a very difficult thing, but if we have some tricks to draw, we will solve the problem. Okay, thank you very much for watching our video. Please support us with push the subscribe button on your desktop, and then share our video into your social media such as Facebook or Instagram. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Bye.